There will be 9 training programs happening at Mind Designs International on month of July. There are 8 programs that you can join. Only exception is NLP Practitioner Certification Batch 12, which is ongoing. So if you want to join for NLP Practitioner Certification, you'll have to wait till we start the 13th batch. But you can let me know, you can show the interest, you can share your name, phone number, email address with me, probably via WhatsApp, or you can send me a mail, and I'll send you out a notification when you are starting the training program. Of course, I'll be updating that information in our Facebook page as well. Other 3 training programs are individual life coaching, individual Reiki training, and advanced clearances and activations for individuals. So all 3 are individual sessions. If you want to know any details about them, or if you want to join any of them, please connect with me. We can schedule the dates and times for the convenience of either the coach or the trainer and you. In month of July, we'll be starting 5 training programs. So we have already done Sinhala NLP 2 batches. We'll be starting the 3rd batch this month. This is a beginner's NLP training done in Sinhala medium. Total duration is 8 hours. We'll be done as 2 hours a day for 4 days. And we also have a request to do this training program in English medium. So that will be beginner's NLP, same structure, same content. That is 8 hours, 2 hours into 4 days. It will be the first batch, so that's a brand new training program we'll be starting this month. Second training, the 3rd training we'll be starting this month is advanced techniques for energy practitioners. So we have already done 1 batch of this training, and we already have 1 registration for it, and we'll be starting that training, advanced techniques for energy practitioners, this month. If you are interested, connect with us. There are some entry criteria, there are some things that you need to have fulfilled before joining this training program. So let's connect and figure out whether you can do it now, or whether you have to do other content before joining that training programs. It's exclusive advanced training for energy practitioners. So it could be in Reiki healers, pranic healers, yogis who have a certain level of energetic activations. We also plan a training program. This is a Reiki Group Class for clergy. So it will be done free of charge. So this is for Buddhist priests, monks and nuns, and also Catholic and Christian priests, monks and nuns. It's a free of charge training program. It's a group class. So we'll wait till we get the group of 10 participants to get started on that. All the dates will be preset. So there'll be 4 sessions, 3 calls and 1 attunement session. If you want to know more details about Reiki or what this class is all about, connect with me. I'll share all the information that you need to know. I'll probably do separate videos on these sessions as well. Last but not the least, we have a brand new training program starting this month. It's net new content. So that is self-care for women, led by JayaShri Maathaa. So ladies, JayaShri Maathaa will teach you how to take care of yourself mentally, physically, emotionally and spiritually. So stay tuned, connect with us right now, and I'll share the details of the training program, the program structure, in near future. So those are the 9 training programs that we have scheduled for this month, and look forward to connect with you via the training programs and also the future videos in our channel. JayaShri. I'm Gamakasri, Chief Trainer and Coach for Mind Designs International.